Best wishes, my dear students. Now we'll discuss certain important questions in the lesson force and laws of motion. We discussed 3 laws of motion. So now what we are going to do means explain Newton's first law from second law. So from the second law of motion, we are going to prove the first law of motion. So இது இப்படியும் கேட்பாங்க, prove that the first law of motion from second law of motion is the another type of question. What is the answer? Now we'll discuss. Before that, we'll revise the concept of the first law of motion. Every body continues in its state of rest or of uniform motion along a straight line unless an external force exerted on that object to change that state. This is the first law of motion. And from the second law of motion, we know that the expression F is equal to m into a, and rearrange that equation means we'll get the equation like this. Okay, so F is equal to m into a. A ku instead of m into c v minus u by t அப்படினு substitute பண்ணோம்னா இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு equation கிடைக்குது. So இதல பாருங்க, இந்த t cross multiply பண்ணோம்னா f into t is equal to mv minus mu will get. If f is equal to 0, if f is equal to 0 means if external force acting on the object is equal to 0 is the meaning here. So see, f is 0 na in the whole term 0 ஆயிடும். அப்ப mv is equal to mu, mn gets cancelled, so v is equal to u. So what is the meaning? External force act on the object is 0 means v is equal to u or u is equal to v. அப்படினா ஒரு object initial velocity u ல மூவ் ஆகும்போது external force அது மேல எதுமே ஆக்ட் ஆகலனா that will continues in its state of motion along the straight line with the same velocity is the concept explained with this relation. Next, if an object is at rest, no external force act on that object means that continues in its state of rest. That only we are going to prove this through this. So if u is equal to 0, f is equal to 0. F is equal to 0 na idu whole term 0 ஆயிடும். Initially at rest na என்ன meaning? Initial velocity is 0 னு அர்த்தம். u 0 na v also becomes 0. So what is the meaning? ஒரு object restல இருக்கு, எந்த external force அந்த object மேல act ஆகல, initial velocity is 0. So initial velocity and f is 0 னு second lawல substitute பண்ணோம்னா final velocity 0 ஆயிடுது. அதாவது object will not move, continues in its state of rest. That only we proved in this part. Okay, thank you students.